Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, log into a virtual world, and make $10,000 without ever leaving your couch. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, for thousands of people, this is already reality. The metaverse economy is booming, and it's projected to be worth $800 billion by 2025. But here's the catch. Most people don't even know how to get started. By the end of this video, you'll discover 5 proven ways to make money in the metaverse, from virtual real estate to digital art. Stick around, because this could be the easiest money you'll ever make. Opportunity 1. Virtual real estate. Let's start with the most lucrative opportunity, virtual real estate. Just like in the real world, location is everything in the metaverse. Platforms like Decentraland and the Sandbox let you buy, sell, and rent virtual land. For example, a plot of land in Decentraland sold for $2.4 million in 2021. And while prices have cooled since then, there's still massive potential. Here's how to get started. Look for undervalued properties in high-traffic areas, like near virtual concert venues or shopping districts. But don't rush in just yet. There's another way to profit from virtual real estate. Opportunity 2. Digital art and NFTs. Next up, digital art and NFTs. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that can be bought, sold, and traded. For example, the artist Beeple sold an NFT for $69 million in 2021. And while the NFT market has had its ups and downs, it's far from dead. Here's the secret. Focus on utility-driven NFTs, like those that grant access to exclusive events or virtual worlds. But if you're not an artist, don't worry. The next opportunity is for everyone. Opportunity 3. Virtual goods and fashion. Here's something that might surprise you. People are spending millions on virtual goods and fashion. Yes, you heard that right. Virtual sneakers, virtual handbags, and even virtual hairstyles. For example, Gucci sold a virtual bag for $4,000, more than the real thing. And platforms like Roblox and Fortnite are making billions from in-game purchases. Here's how to cash in. Create or resell virtual items that appeal to specific communities. But if you're not into fashion, the next opportunity might be more your style. Opportunity 4. Virtual events and experiences. Next up, virtual events and experiences. From concerts to conferences, the metaverse is becoming the go-to destination for live events. For example, Travis Scott's virtual concert in Fortnite attracted 12 million viewers and generated millions in revenue. And companies like Meta are investing billions in virtual event platforms. Here's how to get involved. Host or sponsor virtual events or create unique experiences that people are willing to pay for. But if you're looking for something more hands-off, the final opportunity is for you. Opportunity 5. Investing in metaverse stocks and tokens. Here's the easiest way to profit from the metaverse. Invest in metaverse stocks and tokens. Companies like Meta, Nvidia, and Unity are leading the charge, while tokens like Mana, Decentraland, and Sand, the Sandbox, offer direct exposure. For example, Mana surged 4,000% in 2021, turning small investments into life-changing gains. Here's the key. Diversify your portfolio and focus on long-term growth. But before you start investing, let's talk about how to get started today. Look, I know the metaverse can feel overwhelming, but here's the truth. With the right strategy, you can turn this futuristic trend into real profits. Start by exploring virtual real estate, creating digital art, or investing in metaverse stocks. And if you're ready to take your financial game to the next level, I've got something for you. Check out my video, AI Jobs That Will Pay $200,000 in 2025, No Coding Needed, where I break down the hottest AI careers of the future. Click the link on the screen or in the description to watch it now. Remember, the road to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take action today, and you'll thank yourself tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.